All right, GBMC, this is the video to find our two winners of the mini to close out the Brett Favre inscribed full-size chrome. So we'll check the time, November 24th at 10:10 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have November 24th at 10:10 p.m. There's the list of our 24 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Looking for the top two. Here we go. It is Adam and Neil. So Adam, you will get 3 spots in the main, and then Neil, you will get the remaining spot that Adam does not take. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, November 24th, 10:11 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.